In today's video, I'm going to teach you a comprehensive guide on how to use Google Docs effectively. Whether you're drafting an important document or simply jotting down some quick notes, Google Docs can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right into it. First up, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This might be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you enjoy using. Once your browser is open and ready, you'll need to navigate to google.com by typing it into the address bar at the very top of your screen and hitting enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the sign in button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your Google account email address, then click the next button to proceed. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Ensure you type it in correctly and click next once again to access your account. You'll then see a grid of 9 small boxes in the upper right hand corner. This is your Google Apps icon. Click on it to reveal a menu with various Google services. We are looking for Google Docs, so locate it in the menu and select it. Upon entering Google Docs, you'll see an option called blank under the Start a New Document section. Click on this to open a new untitled document. It's always a good idea to give your document a name right away. Find the document title at the top left corner, click on it, type in your desired name, and press enter to save it. With your document named, you may want to download it. To do this, click on the File menu in the top left corner and go to the Download option. You'll see several formats you can choose from. If you need a Microsoft Word document, click on Microsoft Word by DocX. If a PDF is what you're after, select PDF document PDF. This step allows your document to be easily shared or emailed in a universally accessible format. Now, if you need to make a copy of your document, again, click on the File menu. This time, select Make a Copy. A dialog box will appear prompting you to choose a destination folder and a new name for your document. It's handy if you want to have multiple versions of a document for different purposes. Finally, you might want to move your document to a different folder within Google Drive. Click on the folder icon next to the document title, which lets you organize your files neatly. To highlight something within your document, type it in and then click on My Drive to enter your drive space. That's it. You've successfully navigated Google Docs and are well on your way to harnessing its full potential. Thanks for tuning in and happy documenting.